Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 31st, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Church & Dwight. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Church & Dwight, a leading U.S. producer of household and personal care products, has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Church & Dwight reported net sales of $1.582 billion for the fourth quarter, marking a 3.5% increase compared to the same period last year. John, how does this align with their overall performance for the year?
Church & Dwight exceeded their outlook with a full-year net sales increase of 4.1%, reaching $6.107 billion. This growth was driven by strong consumer demand across their portfolio and geographies. Notably, their adjusted EPS for Q4 was 7.77, which aligns with the analyst forecast of 0.77, based on a survey of 13 analysts.
And what about their cash flow?
The company generated $1.156 billion in cash from operations for the full year, highlighting their strong cash flow generation capabilities. This is a significant increase, driven by higher cash earnings and improvements in working capital.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Church & Dwight managed to improve their margins?
They achieved a 110 basis point expansion in their adjusted gross margin for the year, thanks to productivity improvements, pricing strategies, and higher margin acquisitions. Looking ahead, they expect net sales growth of 3 to 4% and adjusted EPS growth of 7 to 8% in 2025.
And there's news on dividends as well.
Yes, the company announced a 4% increase in their quarterly dividend, reflecting their strong cash generation and confidence in future performance. This marks the 29th consecutive year of dividend increases.
Product innovation and strategic initiatives. Innovation seems to be a key focus for Church & Dwight. Can you elaborate on their new product initiatives?
Absolutely. Church & Dwight is leading with innovation, particularly with their Arm & Hammer Power Sheets, which have quickly become a top-selling brand on Amazon. They are also expanding their product lines with new launches in 2025, which are expected to drive significant sales increases.
How important is the online sales channel for them?
Online sales grew to 21.4% of total consumer sales in 2024, underscoring the importance of e-commerce in their strategy. This channel will continue to be a critical growth driver as they expand their digital presence.
Key takeaways. In summary, Church & Dwight has delivered a strong performance for the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with impressive sales growth and operational efficiencies. Their focus on innovation and strategic initiatives positions them well for 2025. John, any final thoughts?
Church & Dwight's robust financial health and strategic focus on innovation and e-commerce make them a compelling investment prospect. Their consistent dividend increases also add to their appeal for income-focused investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Church & Dwight's performance in the comments below.